When you open up your assignment or your slideshow today, you'll see at the bottom of the screen it tells you what molecule to make. You have all of the atoms and all of the rods needed to make this molecule. There's nothing extra thrown in here, so this should be pretty simple. Before you make the molecule, it's important that you count up the number of holes in all of the atoms that make up that molecule. So in this case, I count up one hole in this hydrogen. Here's a second hole, 3 holes, 4 holes, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes total. And you're going to record that number because remember, today it's important to figure out how is the number of holes related to whether a molecule is stable or unstable. So you record the number of holes, then you're ready to build. So once again, everything should be pretty straightforward. I've given you exactly how many rods you need and exactly how many atoms you'd need to build that molecule. Match things up as best as you can. And the last thing is determine whether that molecule is stable or unstable. I notice that every hole is filled, there are no holes left over, and that each rod has an atom on both ends. Therefore, this molecule is stable. And you would record whether the molecule is stable or unstable at the top. And yes, some of your molecules will be unstable and will have one hole left over. So when you complete one molecule, you move on to the next slide. This is actually going to be your first molecule that you build. It's telling you to build or make an H2O molecule, but first you'd need to count up the number of holes, then you build it, then you record whether it's stable or unstable up top. Once you finish all of your molecules, you will notice that there is a question and a chart that you need to fill in on the very last slide.